Even when you're tired, you can get out of bed for this. The sun coming up in the morning. We're off to the airport. I'm gonna tell you what, this is just one bus after another one. Grab after another, one van after another. Drop my motorcycle off. And we're ready. My driver just let all these people go. They just take turns with no stoplights, and it all works. We are off the beach. There's just hotels everywhere. You can stay for 20 American dollars less. So you can spend whatever you want. You can stay there or there. But they're everywhere. So bring your budget. And if you rent a motorcycle, you can go anywhere in no time. You can stay anywhere on your budget, and it's nice. Hotel right on the water.
The airport is not far.
Hotel. Anybody. It doesn't have to be beautiful, 5-star. If you rent them, and if you take a Grab, it doesn't cost much. $3, $5. You can go anywhere you want. Okay, we're late for our ride. And the Grab took about an hour to get to the airport, and it was $350 dong, about 13 American dollars, somewhere in there. So we're still hoping that we can catch our plane. It was actually the motorcycle guy. He took an hour to come get his motorcycle. I just sat out there. I knew we should have done it while we were eating breakfast. He could have called us when he got to the hotel or before we ate breakfast. But that's life. You gotta go, gotta go. I think we should have stayed here last night. But just don't have enough time to do everything you want to do.
I think you're not going in.
What city are we in?
This is Cam Ranh. Cam Ranh.
Just everywhere they're building might make it. This city is very spread out, has a great future. Because there's just lots of land, lots of nice resorts. Beautiful little airport. Looks like an awesome place
Upstairs, okay. No, really big
to visit. Not really a lot of locals. But oh man, a lot of resorts. Pretty cool place. You like that? We're right on time. The way I like it, actually. How you like that? We're right on time. Man, that motorcycle guy was an hour late. I just sat there and sat there and sat there. He had 20 driver's license in his hand. Can't make that up. Really, fairly large, but nice size. It looks like we're loading right now. We're off. It's 10:20. We leave at 10:35. So we made it with lots of time. Ha ha. Very nice place. Lots of resorts. But that's about it. On the water. Some messed up windows, but nice airport. Really nice. These are solid fish farms. Lobster. Wow. I've never actually seen them. Pretty cool. Solid fish farms. I'm sure we can get fresh fish here. There's more right there. Oh, I can't keep the camera straight. Check it out. I've never seen so many. Probably lobster. Who knows? All of them. Lots of fishing boats there. Just solid fish farms. It's going to be hard to watch. Oh! It's not a GoPro. Shaky. But I just wanted you to see all the fish farms. They seem to just go on forever. Alrighty. This is it. Ho Chi Mien City. Looks like about an hour and 10 minutes was all. And we have right on our way. Here we go. You might say this is a nice big airport. New blue bag. It's humongous that I bought because she overpacked 2 of the other bags and broke them. I need less stuff. She packs for me. I don't need this much stuff. Alrighty. Come down, ask where to get a grab. You don't get a grab at the taxi because everybody's mad at everybody. Here, taxi, grab. Just took a picture. We're off. She's so tired. Ah. I have no idea what it costs, but here we go. And voila. This is going to be 110 dong. $4.20 maybe. So you know we're not going far from the airport to the hotel. Okay, the Grab driver dropped us off at the wrong place. So, he claims 2 minutes to walk. We're good, I'm a big boy. I guess we'll have to give this guy a tip. We're at the siesta, something or other than the siesta, something or other, and he's walking us down. It's the same company. This one here has been here for a couple of years. The other one, only 7 months. Same company. Different name, but very close. Ha! Anyway, here we go. We went to the wrong place. 2-minute walk. Same company. Okay, this battery is completely shot. Alrighty. 2-minute walk. Got the bellhop to walk us right over here with our luggage that weighs 1,000,000 tons. And we are in the middle of it. Definitely lots of tourists here. It says 25,000 pesos for coconut. Dong. $1 US. That tells you we are in a tourist place. She's signing us up. Uses the phone for translation. I have no idea what they're doing. That's okay. Here we go. Oh, she's asking a map about where to go. It's all glare, but that's okay. Giving her directions. I probably personally want to go on the river and eat where we ate last time, but it's not that far away. We're very close to the fake market that on the corner says udon and tempura. I believe tempura means fried, and I would like fried shrimp. They take the shell off them when they fry them. I hate doing the whole thing where, I have to get my fingers and take the shells off. I got 1 million of them at home, but I hate that. So let's go see if tempura means fried. I think it does. I want shrimp. If it's fried,